Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises a healthier, more convenient, and even more colorful cooking experience, the GreenLife 16-piece non-stick cookware set. This isn't just another collection of pots and pans. GreenLife is making some bold claims about toxicity, ease of use, and sustainability. So, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about what you get in this massive 16-piece set. It's incredibly comprehensive. You're looking at a 4-inch mini frying pan, perfect for single eggs or small sauces. Then there are the workhorses, a 7-inch and a 9.5-inch frying pan. For liquids and sauces, you have a 1-quart and a 2-quart saucepan, both with lids. A generous 5-quart stock pot with its own lid is included for soups, stews, or boiling pasta. And for those dishes that need a bit more room and maybe some simmering, there's a 2.5-quart sauté pan with a lid. Beyond the pots and pans, the set also comes with a 7-inch stainless steel steamer, which is a fantastic addition for healthy cooking, and 4 essential kitchen utensils. This is a complete kitchen starter kit, or a great way to refresh your current collection. Now, the headline feature for many will be the non-stick coating. GreenLife uses a thermoline ceramic non-stick, and they emphasize that it's toxin-free. This means no PFAS, no PFOA, no lead, and no cadmium. In today's world, where health and safety in our kitchens are paramount, this is a huge selling point. They also mention that this ceramic non-stick starts with sand and creates significantly less carbon dioxide during manufacturing compared to traditional coatings. That's a nice bonus for the environmentally conscious. The non-stick performance itself is designed for effortless release, meaning your food should slide right off, making cooking and, crucially, cleanup much easier. Speaking of ease of use, GreenLife has focused on comfort with their soft grip Bakelite handles. These are designed to stay cool on the stovetop, which is a crucial safety and comfort feature, especially when you're juggling multiple pans or dealing with long cooking times. They also aim for a wobble-free construction, which might sound minor, but it speaks to the durability and stability of the pans, ensuring they sit securely on your stovetop. The reinforced bases are also key here, designed to distribute heat evenly. Uneven heating is a common frustration in cookware, leading to hot spots and inconsistent cooking. Even heating means your food cooks uniformly, giving you better results and less chance of burning one side while the other is undercooked. Cleanup is always a big consideration, and GreenLife tackles this with rivetless interiors. This is a clever design choice. Traditional cookware often has rivets where the handles attach, and these can become difficult to clean, accumulating food residue over time. By making the interiors smooth and rivetless, they aim for an easy wipe-away experience, minimizing hassle and buildup. While the cookware is advertised as dishwasher safe, which is convenient, hand washing is still recommended by GreenLife to help preserve the non-stick finish over time. This is standard advice for extending the life of any non-stick cookware. Monitoring your cooking is made simple with the durable tempered glass lids. These allow you to see what's happening inside the pot or pan without having to lift the lid, which helps retain heat and moisture. Essential for simmering sauces, braising, or just keeping an eye on your vegetables. The set is versatile for different stovetops, working on gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops. However, it's important to note that it is not induction compatible. The cookware is also oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which adds flexibility for finishing dishes or keeping them warm. A significant aspect of the GreenLife brand is its commitment to sustainability. The cookware vessels, excluding the handles, are made with a minimum of 65% recycled materials. This is a great initiative, turning waste into functional kitchenware, and it's something that many consumers are increasingly looking for. So, let's break down the pros and cons based on these details. The pros are numerous. The 16-piece set is incredibly comprehensive, offering a wide variety of sizes and types of cookware for almost any culinary task. The toxin-free ceramic non-stick coating is a major advantage for health-conscious cooks. The ease of cleanup due to the rivetless interiors and the non-stick surface is a significant time saver. The stay-cool handles enhance safety and comfort. Even heating from the reinforced bases should lead to better cooking results. The inclusion of a steamer basket adds value for healthy cooking options. And the use of recycled materials in its construction is a commendable environmental effort. Now for the cons. The most notable limitation is that this set is not induction compatible. If you have an induction cooktop, this set won't work for you. The oven-safe temperature is also a bit lower at 350 degrees Fahrenheit compared to some other cookware sets that might go higher. While dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended for longevity, which might be a slight inconvenience for some. Finally, while the non-stick is designed to be durable, like all non-stick surfaces, it will eventually wear down over time, especially with frequent use and if not cared for properly. In conclusion, the GreenLife 16-piece non-stick cookware set is a compelling option for anyone looking for a complete, healthy, and relatively user-friendly cookware collection. Its focus on toxin-free materials, ease of cleaning, and sustainable manufacturing practices makes it stand out in a crowded market. While the lack of induction compatibility and the moderate oven temperature are drawbacks, for the majority of home cooks, this set offers excellent value and functionality. It's well equipped to handle everyday cooking needs with a colorful and comfortable design. Link in the description.